Hey everyone, what if I told you that by 2025, a single AI tool could make certain jobs obsolete? It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening faster than we think. And no! I'm not talking about ChatGPT I'm talking about something far more powerful, a new wave of AI agents that are set to completely revolutionize how we work. Forget just generating text or images. These AI agents can understand complex goals, create a plan, and execute it all on their own. Imagine telling an AI, research the top 5 electric vehicles for 2025. Compare their specs, price, and user reviews, and create a detailed presentation for me. In the past, that would take a research assistant hours, maybe even days. Now, AI agents can browse the web, analyze data, and build that entire presentation from scratch, all while you're grabbing a coffee. This isn't just an assistant, it's an autonomous worker. So, which jobs are on the line? Think about roles that involve repetitive digital tasks. Data entry clerks, market research analysts, customer service schedulers, and even some junior paralegal work. Any job that primarily involves gathering, organizing, and presenting information online is at risk of being automated. These AI agents can operate web browsers, use software, and interact with websites just like a human can, but 24/7 without getting tired, and at a fraction of the cost. But here's the crucial part. This isn't a doomsday prediction. It's a wake-up call. The Industrial Revolution didn't end work. It changed it. The same is happening now. The key to staying relevant is to compete with these AI agents, but to learn how to manage them. The new high-value jobs will be for AI wranglers or AI orchestrators, people who can effectively direct fleets of these AI agents to achieve complex business goals. The focus will shift from doing the task yourself to defining the task with precision and creativity. So, instead of fearing that this AI will take your job, start thinking about how you can use it to elevate your job. Start learning about prompt engineering, workflow automation, and AI strategy. The future belongs to those who can collaborate with artificial intelligence, not those who are replaced by it. The change is coming, and it's coming fast. The question is, will you be ready? Thanks for watching. If you found this insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. See you in the next one.